Here we go, traders. I got the Philadelphia SOX index, and we know that they always lead rallies higher like that. But look what happens. It got cratered to the 20-day. This is a correction in the Philadelphia SOX index is down 260 points right this moment. Once again, we have lower lows and we have a correction in October that has finally arrived. So you have lower lows going, and when they do drop and you don't have money, then you come and see me. I have buy now, pay later program, and you can get in on these pullbacks. Let that be known. I'm your friend. I want to help you make money with the Philadelphia SOX index and individual stocks that are pulling back. We will buy dips and make big money. They lead big rallies. Right now, we are in a bear